Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the right way to create your interior notebook or journals. I'm going to be using Android phone, and you can use your iOS device and it still work the same. Right now we have go to Canva. If you don't have Canva, I think you should create one for yourself. It's for free. We're going to use Canva to create the design. Click on the plus sign, click on the customize. Then we are going to be working on 6 point. You first of all put it on inches. We are going to be working on 6.125 by 9.250. 250. Then create design. So this is our sheet. This is the sheet that we want to use to create the interior. So what you have to do here is to click on the plus button here and go to element. Then go to the line here. You can see line here. Click on the line. Extend your line to this place. Do not extend it up to the end of the note. Make sure this thing is straight. I think it's straight now. Click on it, take it up to whenever you want your note to start from. So I want my note to start from this place. Then for me, this line is too big for me. I'm going to go to line style under here. Click on line style. I'm going to reduce. You can use this shape. You can use this shape. You can also use this shape. Well, I'm going to leave it here at this very one, but I'm going to reduce the line. You can increase it if you want. I'm going to reduce it to 2. That is my standard. That's what I usually use when creating my notebook journal. I use 2. So you go to this here, exit this, you come here, you place on duplicate, then you take this second one down to how you want your line to be, how you want your second, the space in which you want your line. You duplicate it again. Just be duplicating it. It will be going directly according to the way you put the first or the second one. So this is where I want my last line to be. So we are, as you can see how simple this is. So what we have to do again, if I want to design my notebook further, I have to come to this plus button again. Let's design it further. Go to the same element and then click on graphics. Click on the plus sign, then type flora. Anything, you can type anything. Let's just use flora. Click on search. It will bring different flora for you to choose on. Go to photo. You can still come to this all, because I think what I need is in this all. So I think I will use this very one here. You bring it here. Then I just want to make this thing look unique, like my personal notebook. So what you will do, I will put it here for the notebook. Then I will go to transparency, because it's now blocking the line of this interior notebook. So I will now make it to be like a background. So I will reduce the transparency of the flora, which is the flower. I will reduce it to so it will look now it look like the background. So I think I will leave my notebook like this. Then what you will do here is to, if you are going to make 100 notebooks, 100 copies notebook, you are going to come here, click on this place, click here and duplicate. Click on duplicate. It will be duplicating this note to how many you want it to be. If you want your notebook to be 100, 120, 150, you make it like that. Then you will go and download, sorry, excuse me. You go to the download at the right corner, click on download, remove it as this PNG, go to PDF print, then download it. You can see this is 11 page. If you want it to be 100 or 120, I usually do 100 or 120 pages because I'm just using this one as a tutorial class. So you save it. So it will take small time to save because it's a PDF print. So that's the only print that is very good and Amazon KDB accept. So after uploading this, after downloading this, then you can now upload it on your manuscript on your Amazon KDB and it will be accepted. If you are doing 9 by 6 by 9 inches notebook. So it will take some time to download. It usually wastes more time to download. So in the next video, we are going to be teaching you how to create your paperback cover in Android phone in the right way. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you gain value for this video, and also don't forget to like and click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload new video like this, you'll be first to be notified. Thank you and God bless you. One love. All right.